Hi, what's up, Chainlink coin holders? What's going on this time? The Chainlink condition is 100% going very good and absolutely going positive. So therefore, I'm really impressed now. But after a very huge dump, you can see here they will take a very huge jump, unbelievable chain. You can see here, and absolutely after this, you can see this is the resistance line. So definitely 28 USD dollar. But today they will give you 29 USD dollars. So definitely that's mean they will hit this huge target. Absolutely, my friends, when a coin will get a profit and they will pumps up from last pump, absolutely they will give you a very good profit. So therefore you can see, my friend, the condition is very good now, and I am 100% sure, my friends, to in upcoming time the very huge explosion is coming soon. But for that you will need to be active and get a very good profit. So please try to understand holders. Some holders are doing very huge mistake in those days, and the mistake was that, my friends, to when they will see the short fails, definitely they are starting selling. But I recommend you to kindly don't starting selling when you see, my friends, the short term, because after the short term they will 100% get a profit. So therefore I hope, my friends, to 35 USD dollar, this is our target, my friend. I hope they will hit now to the end of this month. But if they just only get a 10% profit, so this is possible to they will hit now 35 USD dollar. Otherwise, my friend, if they were fails down, they cannot get other 10% profit, then absolutely it is impossible to they will get, my friends, just in only 30 USD dollar. So try to understand, holder, please. In upcoming time the very huge explosion is coming soon. You will need to hold and wait for the end of month. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.